In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with Squarespace step by step. Now, if you've been exploring ways to seamlessly connect these two platforms, you've likely noticed that Squarespace doesn't natively support Klaviyo except for a few limited integrations like newsletter signups. But don't worry, Zapier is here to help you bridge the gap. Through Zapier, you can connect actions on Squarespace, such as form submissions or orders, to actions in Klaviyo, like adding a subscriber, updating profiles, or triggering flows. To get started, head over to zapier.com. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. Otherwise, go ahead and create a new account. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to create a new Zap. Just look for the Create Zap button and give it a click. Next, we need to set up our trigger app, which will be Squarespace in this case. Use the search bar to type Squarespace, and once you find it, select it as your trigger app. For the trigger event, choose something like form submission. This means that whenever a form is submitted on your Squarespace site, it will trigger a series of actions in Klaviyo. You'll then be prompted to connect your Squarespace account to Zapier. Make sure you're signed in to Squarespace in another tab so this process goes smoothly. After successfully linking your accounts, you'll need to choose the specific site and form you want to keep track of. Zapier provides a way to test the trigger by pulling sample data from a recent form submission, ensuring everything is set up correctly before moving forward. With your trigger configured, it's time to set up the action app, which will be Klaviyo. Again, use the search bar in Zapier to find Klaviyo and select it. For the action event, we'll choose Add Subscriber to List. At this point, your Klaviyo account needs to be connected using your API key. Make sure you have this handy. You can usually find it within your Klaviyo account settings. Now onto mapping the fields. Here's where you'll connect the dots between Squarespace and Klaviyo. Map relevant Squarespace form fields like name and email to the corresponding fields in Klaviyo. This ensures that the right data flows to the right place. Before we wrap up, it's essential to test the action. Send test data to Klaviyo to make sure everything is working as it should. If the test is successful, then you're almost there. The final step is turning on your Zap. You can do this by clicking Publish or Turn on Zap. And with that, you've successfully integrated Klaviyo with Squarespace using Zapier, enabling you to automate and streamline your workflows efficiently. Thanks for joining me today.